episode episode 3, Chainsaw Man season 1. Let's go. I'm excited. I liked her blood thing. It was really cool. And what happened? Are they in trouble? Why is she here? Oh. So wait. So they can get in trouble for that? That's the thing, but she killed the monster. The whole thing was to like take care of monsters and not whatever. I mean, sure, he can keep an eye on her, but what is he gonna do? What does that even mean? She wants to get out of it, but what is Makima gonna do considering that this whole thing is gonna be a hindrance to her project? Okay. Oh, Makima is really calm about this. I'm really scared and also enjoying the shot. Even more so now. She's very scared of her for some reason. And I wonder why. He is just on the main of horny. God damn. It's a cat. Don't kill it or eat it. Don't do anything to it, please. What's going on? I feel like I'm scared. Yeah? Oh, okay. Oh. I love cats. I don't know if... Yep. Alright. That sums it up. This one doesn't. Oh, he's energetic. He got that motivation. This is so bad. Episode 5, and then I'll watch it. Jesus Christ, the spoilers are everywhere. Fuck, play. Okay, now let me try to summarize. Makima doesn't want power using too much of her power, otherwise it would be a distraction to direct. It would be too much of a demolition control from the public that she has to handle. So that's a lot of work on her table she doesn't want. So she has to control of power. Ugh. Blood manipulation, yada yada yada. So blood manipulation is a power tool that devils use. What other system is there? That's cool. I like that. Considering, yes, now it's an office. Yes. Oh my god, look! Walkable cities! Public transport! Oh my god! It's a livable dream! Where is this at? Is this on Tokyo? Probably. This guy, he knows his priorities, huh? My god. Annoying. No, he quite literally means his heart is literally replaced, but you don't know that. Oh. Oh. Ghost Pepper. Stop looking at her chest, bro. 2 seconds. Clearly. Okay. Background? Hello? What? Don't get attached. Does she only control her own blood, or can she control other people's blood? Because if she can control other people's blood, I think she can pick his blood and fight with it. Which would make it an epic battle. Pew pew pew. Oh my god. You guys came all this way. To do what exactly, dude? What the fuck are you guys doing? Fight? Oh. Oh, wow. He's gonna... The smell of cigarettes, cosmetics, and medication. The smell is not bad. I'll try it. Okay. Bat devil. Oh, he ate it. That's no. He ate it, dude. He's gonna spit out the bones. Oh, he kept his promise. Well, he ate it live on camera. I guess she was telling the truth, in a sense. And he killed the cat. But, that's so sad. You technically look like a fool yourself, you know? I hope he has the biggest, goofiest smile. Oh, he doesn't.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。気持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Okay, dude, come on. Chainsaw Man, hello.
うがいをした後は前妻に生娘だな。メインは肉好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
Oh wow. I don't know, dude. But I think you know the feeling more than I do. Oh my god. I'm emotionally and psychologically invested in these cats. Cats? these people. A devil! Ah. Dude, they land in this office and they start going crazy. And then Makima has to do irreparable damage. I was joking. Ningen! Ah. Yep, two devils. Bro, the public, bro. Oh, and that civilian. I know she has, like, high regards for this guy, but he's doing so much collateral damage. Jesus Christ. This fight scene is cool, though. You can't deny that. Look at him. Oh! A left hook. Or smash, I guess. That entire building probably cost $1 trillion. As well as so much casualty. What the fuck is that? What? Whoa. Yo, look at, yo, what is this? Yo, what's that? Wait, I'm so lost for words. He just pulled that a fucking can out of his mouth. That was so cool, dude. Did you see the fucking whole thing? Oh, he's dead. For words. I would be too, bro. This nigga's motivations are off the charts. Another one that said that. Oh, right through his left one. Yeah, dude. I wonder if Attack on Titan was the inspiration for these fights. Oh, look at that. Beautiful story. Hi, Chips. That's what I thought. Anyway, the bigger 10 out of 10 fight. Holy. Different OP? What? And it's good. You hear that bass?